On today's video, I want to quickly share with you guys how to make fried chicken. Please keep on watching. For this recipe, we'll be making use of one whole chicken. The first thing we are going to do is to cut this chicken up, and to do that we need a very sharp knife. I'll be using this brand by Enoking. This is their Serbian knife. Guys, let's take a moment to appreciate how nicely packaged this knife is. I love this leather shade that it came with. It makes it easy for you to carry the knife around or to even store it away safely. I love that this knife is multifunctional. You can use this knife to cut up fruits, vegetables, meat, fishes. You can even use this knife in your garden to cut some shrubs. I also love how heavy and how sturdy the knife is. I love the handle. The handle makes it so easy to grab the knife. And the most interesting and the most important thing actually about this knife is how super sharp the blade is. The blade is so sharp, guys. If you're looking for a very good, high quality, affordable knife, make sure you check out this knife. I'll insert the link in my comment section, and I'll also put it in the description box of this video. So go ahead and cut the chicken. If you want to have the meat in big chunks, just go ahead and cut the meat to whatever size you prefer. Now, after cutting the chicken to your desired sizes, add some salt and wash several times. After washing, transfer to a sieve and let it drain excess water. Now let's make some marinade for the chicken. Here I'm going to blend some garlic, ginger, onion and 2 habanero peppers. Feel free to add more or less pepper to yours. After blending, set it aside. Then into a pot, transfer the already washed chicken, add in the blended pepper and garlic mixture. Next, go in with your favorite spices and herbs. For me, I used some rosemary, thyme, curry powder, Knorr chicken seasoning and some fried shallots, but feel free to use whatever spice and herbs you prefer or the ones you have available to you in your kitchen. Next, mix everything together, cover it and let it marinate for some time in the fridge. But if you don't have time, it's okay to start steaming it right away. I like to steam this chicken first without adding water, by the way, because sometimes I like to get some stock to use in my cooking. Also, I feel that when I steam it first before frying, it takes up all of those seasonings and it makes the chicken taste way better. Now into a frying pan, add some oil. When the oil heats up, throw in a bulb of onion and start adding in the chicken one by one. Do not overcrowd the oil. The reason for that bulb of onion is to flavor the oil. If you haven't tried it before, please try it, okay? It makes so much sense. It flavors the whole oil and it makes the chicken smell and taste good. Now go ahead and fry the chicken on high heat and flip at intervals until you achieve a crispy golden brown color. Let me know in the comment section if you steam your chicken before frying just like I did, or if you prefer to just fry right away after seasoning the chicken. I'd love to know your reasons in the comment section. This chicken can be served with anything at all, like anything at all. You can just eat it alone with some drinks or water. It is so good. I love just this texture. I love this crispiness. I don't want it too crispy or too hard because my kids are going to eat it, so I don't want it too hard for them. I so much enjoyed filming this video for you guys, and this is the stock, by the way. I use this stock to make my jollof rice and just anything at all. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and remember to check out the link to this good Enoking knife. The link will be in my comment section. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.